We've been talking about the bitter cold for several days now, and yet when you step out in it, it still feels like, wait a minute, did I know it was going to feel like this?
Yeah. And for a few days, it was the wind that made it feel so much colder than it really is. Today, it was a little bit more mild in Frisco.
And it just depends. You know, guys, those winds pick up. We still have the potential of the dangerous wind chills today and tomorrow morning. So the cold weather advisory is still in place. So keep that in mind. We're going to be thawing out, though. So that's some good news. Let's take a look at what's going on, though. First alert weather day today, and then for Wednesday morning, because of these dangerous wind chills still sticking around. And today, we're only going to be a couple degrees above the freezing mark for our actual high temperature. Also want to show you, we had the first alert weather day for this morning because of that light snow moving through overnight. A lot of it did not reach the ground. We have more down towards the south and east. You can see Houston area, this winter storm continued to work its way along the Texas coastline, continuing through parts of Louisiana. And the larger view shows that we have snow all the way back to near Austin, even stretching closer towards San Antonio. So there are winter weather alerts in place. There's winter weather advisory that does include Anderson County here in North Texas, winter storm warnings, but in parts of Louisiana, a blizzard warning. Yeah, you heard me right. A blizzard warning in parts of Louisiana because of this, the blowing snow. And then you can see as we go through the day today, that snow continuing along the Texas coastline, along the Gulf Coast states, even through parts of the panhandle of Florida, possibly dealing with some snow to some freezing rain stretching all the way up through parts of South and North Carolina. A lot of rain through parts of central Florida, even that snow possibly making its way through parts of Tallahassee. So we're not really seeing that here in North Texas. We're seeing the cold air in place. Our temperatures have continued to drop their way down into the mid-20s. Last couple of hours sitting at 26 degrees at DFW. When you factor in that wind out of the northeast at 14, it feels like 14 degrees right now at DFW. So still, I want you to pay attention, bundle up as you step on out of the door. It's 24 in Fort Worth to 26 right now in Duncanville to 25 in Greenville. Across North Texas, the actual temperature is 18 in Graham to 19 in Bowie. When you factor in the wind, it feels like 6 in Graham. This is where you want to limit your time outside. Really make sure you have plenty of layers on. You don't want the exposed skin. It feels like 12 right now in McKinney to 16 in Arlington to 12 in Fort Worth. Afternoon hours, lots of sunshine on the way. Clouds will clear out. We'll make it up to about 34 degrees, but still feel like the 20s most of the day. But then we thaw out nicely. We're back to near 60 degrees by Friday. This weekend, temperatures cooling down slightly, but only rain in the forecast with highs in the 50s.